हाय, दिस इज़ मोनिका एंड आई एम बैक वेल। आज हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं मोहित। यस, मोहित मल्होत्रा। सो गाइस, क्या कुछ आप उनसे जानना चाहते हो अबाउट फ्रॉम मोहित? रिसेंटली आपने उनको देखा था फिल्म हैंग में अलोंग साइड हीना। सो व्हाट क्वेश्चन यू हैव? हाय अंकित, हाय ऋतु, हेलो सद्दाम, हेलो, हाय अंकित। ऑलराइट, सो क्या कुछ आप जानना चाहते हो मोहित? ऑल राइट, सो इवन मोहित इज हियर। ओके, या finally, like he is before time. It's 5. Yeah, and here is he. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. What's up?
All good. So क्या कर रहे हो? कैसे निकल रहा है क्वारंटाइन? हाउ स्पेंडिंग
बहुत
टाइम?
मजे
या
से निकल रहा है. Sorry?
व्हाट इज योर लाइक डेली रूटीन? कैसे शेड्यूल कितना चेंज हुआ है and क्या कुछ कर रहे हो अभी?
काफी कुछ बदल गया because there's suddenly you realize that there is no work to go to, there is no shooting to go to. तो आपको घर से निकलना नहीं है, so you have to figure out कि आप घर पे रह के क्या क्या कर सकते हो. So I've figured out things that I can do at home and I've been doing it very well. So it's going really well. And now that we have another 2 weeks of lockdown, so I think I have some more books to read and some more podcasts to hear. So I think it's going to be nice.
ओके, सो अगर मैं पूछूं लाइक वर्क को कितना मिस कर रहे हो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, तो क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Actually, I'm missing a lot because क्या होता है कि जब it becomes like a voluntarily thing that you can't go and you're like stuck at home. That's when you want to work more. So I think I'm missing it a lot now because it's been about a month almost now that I've not been on the set. But at the same time, you actually feel that maybe this is the time you want to get to know about yourself and self-reflect upon what's going on in your life. So I think that's a good time to do the self-reflection. तो कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा भी लग रहा है और कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि और जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए और जल्दी से हमारी शूटिंग भी शुरू हो जाए. बट द रियलिटी चेक इज दैट इट्स गोना टेक टाइम, सो यू माइट एज वेल मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ इट.
राइट राइट राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर मैं पूछूं कौन सी ऐसी हॉबी है जो एक्सप्लोर की है या फिर लाइक कुछ नया चीजें सीखा है ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड, तो कौन सी चीजें हैं?
Cooking. I think cooking is something that I've been learning a little bit from my mom, and it's actually very therapeutic. Honestly, it's fun. When you're cooking, maybe because it's a new thing, so you really focus, and there's nothing else that comes to your mind while you're using all those combinations of masalas and putting things exactly the time it needs to put in that utensil. So बड़ा interesting सा हो जाता है. So I think it's very therapeutic for me. Gets me back to the moment when I'm cooking.
ऑलराइट, तो लूसीफर इज आस्किंग हाउ आर यू फीलिंग अबाउट दिस लॉकडाउन?
वेरी गुड यार, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि एक तो सबसे अच्छी बात है कि मुझे आप लोगों के साथ लाइव करने का मौका मिल रहा है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने इतना पूरी जिंदगी में जब से मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे आया हूँ तब से इतना लाइव किया होगा जितना कि मैंने कभी किया है. So I think
राइट।
it's a great opportunity to connect with the fans and the people who love you. So it's actually good. So thank you, Lucifer. It's working very well.
ऑलराइट, रिसेंटली वी हैव सीन यू इन हैक, सो हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद हीना?
It was really good, yeah. I think it was a fantastic experience working with her. She's a fantastic, she's a stunningly amazing actor and now a good friend also. So it was very fun. We had a lot of fun on the set. बड़े मजे किए हमने और we still remember the times we were shooting there. So बड़ा मजा आता है. Hopefully we'll work again together.
ऑलराइट, सो आफ्टर हैक नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? क्या कुछ चल रही थी जिसकी वजह से चीजें थी जो अभी अटक गई है फिलहाल?
So there's a web show that I was already reading for. उसकी reading शुरू हो गई थी before the quarantine was just started. So abhi I think it's put on hold. I think once this lockdown gets over, I think we'll get back to it and hopefully the shooting will start soon. So the moment it starts, I'll come out and say that this is what is coming out.
All right, and well, you have done only Splitsvilla reality show की अगर बात करूँ तो why don't you try Big Boss and बाकी के जो भी reality show है like खतरों के खिलाड़ी and all?
Yeah, I really want to do Khatro Ke Khiladi. I think I should really do it. Big Boss was offered to me. I decided not to do it. I think I chickened out at the last moment because I thought, nahi yaar, I think it's not the time for me to do it. But like they say, never say never. But not at this time. But hopefully, when it's the right time, I might. But definitely, I want to do dance reality shows. Yaar, I would love to do Jhalak Dikhla Ja or Fear Factor. Fear Factor is actually very good. Yaar, I was watching it. When the quarantine started. So the the latest season was getting telecast on Colors. So I was really excited. I think I should also get a chance to be there in that show.
Okay, all right. Apart from that, जैसे कि अभी आपने इतनी सारी चीजें कही हैं, so people want you to do a Big Boss. They are saying कि you can try because we want to see you. So when fans like demand something, तो वो कितना easy or difficult हो जाता है, like उनको convince करना.
See, see, for fans, I think I think they become also very situational. They also understand, that the different phases of an actor's life. Sometimes he's doing a reality show, sometimes he's doing a film, sometimes he's doing a web show or a TV show. So I think their likings also change with time. Sometimes you add more loved ones to your family, and sometimes you let them go. So I think you have to keep going on your journey, and try to keep sending out your love to all your fans, and hopefully they will like you in everything that you do eventually. And I think that's the acceptability that fans have, and I'm really grateful for it. उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ों में देखा है, in different mediums, in different characters, in different avatars, and they've loved me in every bit of it, each one of it. So I think you just need to be grateful for having them around you and sending out so much love to you.
Exactly. People are saying like recently they have seen Hacked and they have loved your character. So how easy or difficult it was, to prepare that role, that character?
It was actually a very fun character because he's a musician in the film, and not that I'm a musician, but I love music. I play instruments, and I've been learning singing a little bit. But don't ask me to sing. So, but it was good. It was very relatable. Honestly, it was a bit part of my personality. Plus, the character graph was absolutely interesting because how he progresses in the film and how things change for him and how he gets over a lot of things to help her love interest out, and how the whole film revolves around a very interesting topic. So it was fun. So it was a great process, while shooting and preparing, before the shooting.
All right. So what kind of character or genre basically you want to try your hands on?
Yeah, I want to do a biopic now. I think if I can get offered a biopic, I'd love to do it. I think it's the best thing an actor could do when you're portraying a living character or somebody who's been a legend and who's not here with us, but I could portray that person. I think when you're portraying a biopic, you get to do a lot of shades of a person, and I think it's the best thing an actor can do, and hopefully I should get that super soon.
Okay, so whose biopic you would love to?
Yeah, I would love to do. See, I've been reading about this guy called Michael Ovitz. He's the guy who used to run a biggest agency in Hollywood called CAA. So he was like the powerhouse of Hollywood. And when I'm reading his book, he's gone through a lot of things, and the way he went against all the odds and still was able to do it. So I think that person, or I don't know, Steven Spielberg could be one of the subjects I could possibly portray.
All right. So now let's play a game. All your first. Okay. So be honest. I guess there is some technical issue. Yep. You can hear me, right? But I can't see you, but at least I can hear you.
You can't see me?
No.
I can see you very clearly. You're still smiling.
All right. So let's play. Let's play the game. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's play. Yeah.
Okay. So your first job.
My first job was, it's so interesting. I had actually sent out my pictures to model for a shoot. And when I got to the set, I realized, it was not for the face, it was for hand modeling. And that was my first job. And luckily, I think they really found me good looking. So they thought maybe we should take some pictures of him. Also, it was for HP laptop, a print shoot. But they eventually, they just used my hands for the laptop shoot. That was my first job.
That's nice. Okay, and your first salary?
It got cut. What did you say?
Your first salary?
16,000 rupees.
That's nice.
I think that was good. Yeah.
All right. First time being on set?
First time being on set, I think on a reality show which I did, the very first reality show MTV Splitsvilla, there was actually a set, but the very first set that I actually shot was Mitwa, that the first TV show I did on Star Plus.
Okay, so how was it? Like nervous, excited?
I didn't know. I think I had very mixed feelings and I didn't know what was going to happen. And I just went with no baggage and I just kept doing whatever they were asking me to do. And I think everything just went well.
Okay, your first co-star?
My first co-star was Tanvi. I forgot her full name. Tanvi, she was my first co-star in this show Mitwa on Star Plus.
Okay, the first compliment you have ever received?
You're so cute. Can I get married to you?
Okay, your first stage performance?
Star Parivar Awards, and I think that was right after the show got launched, and I forgot the name of the song, but it was a Rishi Kapoor song.
Okay.
Yeah, first song, yeah.
First gym experience?
First dream experience.
Gym.
First gym experience. I think the body pains a lot the first time you go to the gym. I think you get really excited and you do a lot of weights, but I think 2 days after you're like, कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं मैंने कर लिया, so I think the body pains. That was the first experience.
All right. First kitchen experience?
First kitchen experience. First kitchen experience.
Yep.
I think I spilled a little bit of dal on my clothes.
Okay, so how was it?
I was trying to stir a little, मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैं उसको कर रहा था, मुझे लगा था कुछ ज़्यादा पक जाएगी, but I think it fired back and it came onto my clothes.
So was it good or disaster?
It was okay, मतलब it was like a little setback, but लेकिन फिर I was like okay अभी होता ही है cooking करते हुए, so you have to keep that into account and move on.
All right. When was the first time when your parents said yes, like Mohit, you had made it? They are really proud of. When was the first time?
I think when they saw my promo of the TV show that I did on Star Plus, जब उन्होंने मेरा promo देखा तो उनको लगा यार अच्छी, I think the boy is doing good for himself. I think.
Okay, first time when was the first time like you felt like a celebrity?
I felt like a celebrity. Yeah, I think right after when you're on television or you're some place where people are watching you and you go to some place and like bunch of people come to you and they want to take pictures with you, and then a bigger bunch comes to you because that bunch of people are taking pictures with you. So you realize, I think I am a little bit of celebrity now.
Wow, that's nice.
And
okay,
then,
first celebrity.
Even now, because even now,
Okay.
when I'd gone for grocery shopping and I was putting, I had my mask on me, and somebody, two people came, Mohit, right? And I was like, I have my mask on, I have my cap on. They still realize me. I think something's really working out now.
Okay, your first celebrity crush.
Kareena Kapoor.
Okay, and your first crush in your school at which age?
Singing teacher. I think I was about 7 or 8. And I would just come home and I would think, how can I get married to her? She was so cute, and she would sing so cutely.
All right, your first travel experience, like where you went, and how was it?
I think that was actually in school, and I had got this opportunity to go to Mauritius, and I was so excited. It was like a bunch of kids who were part of this society that were allowed. That was a trip for that society, and I was like, wow. So I think that was the first trip that was really fun for me. School trip.
Okay, your first phone.
First phone was Nokia. I think 6610. I don't know, some other phone. Nokia, yes.
Okay, since you said like your first salary was 16,000, so what you got from it?
I did not really get anything from it. I think I actually went to my mom and gave all to my mom, and then she gave me a watch as a gift. But I never spent that money. I gave that money to my mom.
That's nice. Okay. First gift you gifted to your parents.
First gift. What did I gift them? I think I like individually or together.
Together.
Holiday.
All right. First girlfriend.
In school.
Okay. And the first kiss.
In school.
Okay. And what was her name? If you are okay.
What was her name? Yeah, sure. Swati.
All right. And people are like commenting, like we have missed few questions. So everyone is saying hi, hello. So by the time, let's take their questions. Okay. Aisha is asking your first love.
My first love was with the girls in my school. In college?
Yep.
That was not the first love, but that was with the girl in college.
All right. Okay. And your first interview.
My first interview was with who? With which portal I had an interview with?
Yep.
I think India Forums. That was right after the show.
All right. And Sumit is asking, hold on. Okay. Sumit is asking, you still live in Model Town?
Yes, I still live in Model Town.
Okay. People want to see you with Sargun.
Oh, yes, yeah, I would love it. I've been getting a lot of, fan edits from the show that we did together in Kya Hua Tera Wada Hai. And I would love to, yeah. I would love to work with her. She's a great friend, and so is her husband, Ravi. So I think we have a great bond together. And if we get a chance, in fact, I worked with both of them, with Ravi and Sargun together. Ravi and Sargun, separately in 2 different shows. So hopefully something happens.
Okay, so tell us about your show experience with like Jamai Raja. People want to know.
Jamai Raja, बहुत ही कमाल का show था यार. I think I had a lot of fun shooting that show, and Ravi's a good friend. We had a lot of fun in that show, and that was a show we actually went and shot a little bit of it in Bangkok also. That was my entry in the show, so it was fun. That was the very first show I shot abroad.
Okay, so Marshboy is asking, are you still like connected with anyone from Switzerland?
Yes, I am. Suyash Meherzan, or yeah, and I keep bumping into Sakshi sometimes.
All right, so what will you choose, like love marriage or arranged marriage? Simple Karma is asking.
Love marriage.
All right, and people are saying they have loved your show, Chupke Chupke, like I love that show. Yep.
I love that show also, yeah. That was such a lovely show. I think it did not get as much due as it should have. लेकिन बहुत ही कमाल का show था, and I really urge everyone, now that they're in quarantine, please go watch that show. You would love it, और आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा, बड़ी हंसी आएगी, बड़ा मजाक होता था उस show में. Or it's a very light-hearted, lovely family show. Everybody would love it. No negativity at all. It was all an out and out positive show. So go watch it now. It's on Ant TV.
Okay, any favorite Netflix show like you're watching currently?
Money Heist. I'm watching that now.
All right.
Plus,
so
one of my favorite shows is also Crown.
Can't hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. So what you were saying?
I said I also like watching this show called Crown.
All right. Okay, so if you look back like 2019, like इतनी सारी movies आई थी, कोई भी movies देख के आपको ऐसा लगा कि इसमें like मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ करना है something जो बहुत पसंद है?
Actually, yeah, Sonu Ki Titi Ki Sweetie, I wish I could have done that. That was a lovely film. और कौन सी film थी which I really admired? I can't recall, but that was one of the movies that I thought I wish I could have done that movie.
Okay, many of them have seen, like recently they have seen Hacked. They are just saying कि बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी लगी, and जाने से पहले सब हर कोई एक ही चीज बोल रहा है, महफूज के 2 लाइन हो जाए.
यार मैं महफूज की आप महफूज जाके देखें, यू नो यू शुड वॉच दैट सॉन्ग ऑन यूट्यूब, आई थिंक दैट विल साउंड मच बेटर, और उसमें आपको मुझे देख के भी अच्छा लगेगा. माय सिंगिंग इज नॉट वेरी गुड बट होपफुली आफ्टर दिस क्वारंटीन इट शुड गेट बेटर. तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए पक्का से लाइव पे आके एक बार गाना जरूर गाऊंगा, लेकिन तब तक के लिए आप ये प्लीज अभी यूट्यूब पे देख लें इसे.
ओके, ऑलराइट. सो लास्टली मोहित, जाने से पहले क्या कुछ आप कहना चाहते हो आपके फैंस व्यूअर्स को, एंड व्हेन कैन वी सी यू अगेन? क्या कुछ चल रहा है अभी और apart from web
I like
series
I
and
told
what
you,
next?
the hopefully the web show will come out, you know, once this quarantine ends. Um, but you know, I'd really love to thank you, all my fans and all my, you know, supporters who've been there for me. और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है आजकल आप लोगों से बातें करके, आप लोगों के सवालों के जवाब देकर. I think that's the best way to connect with you guys, and it's loving that, you know, you guys are loving every part of work that I've done. और आजकल आपको हैक बहुत पसंद आ रही है, और खास करके वो गाना जो you know, it's a very romantic song. और you know, आजकल लोग कहते भी, I think it's a very apt song for this time, ताकि आप महफूज रहें अपने घर के अंदर also. So I think it works. So thank you so much for you know, being there and sending out a lot of love and blessings. And hopefully, you know, you'll see me soon on a web show, and yes, sending out a lot of love to you again.
All right, thank you so much Mohit for giving us time. I hope after this lockdown we'll meet and we'll have a like long chit chat. Till then, yeah, bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Stay safe. Bye bye. गाइस, जैसे कि अभी आपने देखा हमारे साथ थे मोहित, एंड बहुत ही जल्दी, यस, विद इन लाइक 5 और 10 मिनट्स अगेन मैं आपको मिलाने वाली हूँ एक और शख्स से, यस, जिनको आपने देखा है रामायण में, लक्ष्मण. सो गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आई विल कैच यू विद इन 10 मिनट्स. टिल देन, टेक केयर. I'll see you again. Bye bye. And कुछ भी मिस हुआ होगा इस इंटरव्यू का मोहित से रिलेटेड, you can watch it on our YouTube, because फिल्मी बीट पे YouTube चैनल पे we are uploading this interview in a while.